Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. From there, once your content is prepped and visible, all you need to do is press your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with a little pop-up right here with tag, or actually let's get back there. So we have edit, tag, and share options, and after a moment it will disappear. Now there is also a little T icon right there above these three options, which will define or detect text in the screenshot. So here we have a bunch of text like Galaxy Store, Clock, Calendar, Play Store, and so on. And when you press on it, it will scan that screenshot, and when that T only appears when it actually detects text. So once you press on it, you can then select each one of these from a screenshot. It will automatically then copy the text, and you can paste it in because it's going to be copied into your clipboard, which gives you a nice versatility, especially when it comes down to documents. You can just capture a screenshot of a document or save it as an image and then gain text out of it without needing to do anything. It's still an image, but allows you to copy text from it, which is really nice. Now, one more thing that I'll mention is you can also capture a screenshot if you have a pen. When you have a pen, you will have this little pen icon right here, and you can click on it, and it will give you kind of like a weird kind of box like this, and it will, when you press on it, it will give you several options of different methods of selecting your screenshot. So you could do that, but this only works with a pen if you have one. I don't have a pen for this device right now, so obviously I cannot showcase this, but it works the same way as it does on tablets from Samsung. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.